SAP FI deleting GL accounts. In SAP R/3 go to Accounting Finance Accounting General Ledger Master Records GL accounts individual processing centrally. In the GL account, provide the account number of GL account and the company code key. To delete a GL account, click the Delete button as shown below. The next step is to select deletion options for the GL account. Deletion flag COA. Deletion flag in company code. Select the correct checkbox and click the Save configuration. SAP FI Modify a GL account. To modify a GL account, click the Change option. Refer the following screenshot. The next step is to select the changed field. Click the Save button to effect the changes.